This isn't fast food heat, it's a deep smoky burn, layered with spice and crunch. And if you're thinking beer, you'd be missing the magic. What's up everybody, Chef Glenn Benham back in the kitchen, and today I'm going full on classic Nashville. I'm making Nashville hot chicken. I've got bone-in chicken thighs, drumsticks. I'm gonna fry them up golden, brush them with some cayenne oil, and I got the perfect wine to balance that heat. Let's go. First thing I need to do is get this chicken in a marinade. I've got some buttermilk and hot sauce. So I've got my plastic bag and my buttermilk. I'm just gonna dump my buttermilk right into the bag. Hot sauce. And into the bag with my chicken. So I'm just gonna seal it up. Get all of that air out of there. This chicken is going to go in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, up to 12 hours. I'm pairing today's Nashville hot chicken with a 2022 Riesling from Birdsong Hill. This wine is out of Willamette Valley in Oregon, more known for their Pinot Noirs, but they're quietly producing some stunning Rieslings just like this one. Let's get some in this glass. It's got beautiful aromatics. Think ripe stone fruit, like nectarines or peaches. There's a hint of citrus blossoms. Even a little petrol, which is typical for Riesling as it ages. Let's give it a taste. Lightly medium bodied, I mean on the lower end of medium bodied, but what really stands out with this wine is the balance. I mean, it's an off-dry Riesling, so there's a touch of sweetness, but that sweetness is kept in check by the mouth-watering acidity. Really juicy wine. I think that that hint of sweetness is gonna go a long way to actually balancing and chilling the heat of this hot chicken. My chicken has been marinating. I'm ready to get it out of this buttermilk mixture so that I can get it breaded up. To my flour, I'm gonna add salt, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. Get that whisk together. And right into this flour, I'm gonna go ahead and just dredge my chicken. After I dredge the chicken, I'm gonna sit it back on this rack and we're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. We want the breading to really adhere to the chicken. All right, got that last piece breaded up. I'm gonna sit this aside at room temperature for about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna get my spices for my cayenne oil mixed together. For my oil, I've got the star of the show, which is cayenne pepper, brown sugar, paprika, garlic powder, chili powder, and salt. Let's get that all mixed together. And to this, we're gonna add hot oil from the fryer after we're done frying the chicken. And that's going to make up the cayenne oil. I've got my fryer set to 325 degrees, and what I'm going to do is fry this chicken anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. What I'm looking for is an internal temperature of 165 degrees. I got all my chicken fried up. I'm holding it in the oven. What I need to do next is add oil to my spice mixture. Spice mixture and the hot oil that I fried my chicken in. I'm just gonna spoon my oil right onto my chicken. All right, my Nashville hot chicken is done. I'm ready to taste. Now, you saw the level of cayenne pepper that I put in here. You can go up or down, however hot or less hot you want it to be. It's up to you, all right? We've already tasted the wine, determined that it was delicious, it was juicy. Let's get into this chicken. Nice spicy flavor. So the buttermilk tenderized the chicken really well. And those spices, man, they are spicing. Get a little pickle. Because it's hot. All right. Woo! That's good and spicy. Let's see if it pairs with this wine. We need something to cool us down a little bit. That's the idea. The heat's gonna take you there. Nashville hot chicken, I mean, there's nothing meek or mild about it. It's spicy, it's bold, it's in your face. You gotta expect that. I knew that. But I was looking for something to balance that. And this is balancing it. But I gotta double check. One more time. I gotta get a piece of that bread too. That's hot, man. But you see, I keep going back in. Nice balance, nice cooling sensation. The slight sweetness on that Riesling is perfect for this Nashville hot chicken. That's a perfect pairing. I'm Chef Glenn Bean, as always, eat well.